Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Kaspa. See what is happening with the price and of course what is yet to come. So if we're looking across the market, as we did start off Monday, we did see a little bit of negative price action across the market due to the fact that Bitcoin number one did see a little bit of a retracement, as well as the dominance index pretty much retesting its yearly highs, which we've been discussing over the course of the last few days. But just a quick reminder, because a lot of people do tend to forget this, if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, things are still looking quite green, as you can see. But let's take a closer look at Kaspa, see what is happening. So the market has been picking up traction right now over the course of the last 1 hour, but pretty much like I said, the last 24 hours you're pretty much seeing across the market a little bit of red. As far as Kaspa is concerned, it's down about 0.6%, with the price currently sitting at 16.87. So the price is holding really good right now, believe it or not, down about 0.7% as mentioned in USD comparative. But if you're looking at it in Bitcoin comparative right now, Kaspa is actually up 0.7%. Market cap, on the other hand, $4.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 42.4 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look what's happening with the dominance index, and I know as of now pretty much everyone that follows me on this channel knows the significance of the Bitcoin dominance index. You are looking at the dominance index actually retesting its yearly high just today at 57.71%. And what happened with Bitcoin was that we did start off Monday. You did see Bitcoin see a little bit of a negative, price action, of course. You saw Bitcoin actually go from $64,352 all the way down to $62,800. And you must understand that when you do see these types of moves and dominance index does the complete opposite, you are going to see altcoins reacting in a negative way. And easiest way to confirm that is just based off of looking at the last 24 hours from the broader market. So again, that kind of answers our question if we did have any question regarding as to why we're seeing so much red across the board. Of course, there's a few handful of coins that are doing quite well. I don't know any news regarding AKT, but HNT, had a massive news coming out, and of course, that is obviously the catalyst behind this move. And Fetch.ai, which of course is now the artificial intelligence alliance, also had massive news over the course of the last few days. I was unable to give you guys an update regarding this, but things are going good with these projects. Hence, you are seeing them holding much better than the broader market. But if you're looking at BTC right now, you know the significance of the $64,000 level. As we did start off Monday, we actually saw the price of Bitcoin going below 64K. We really need to see that price sitting above 64. It's very important, as you guys know. And there is some bullish news coming out of Russia, which I think could trigger a little bit more upside once more people start finding out about that specific news. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now and what are some next targets. So pretty much the daily time frame, as you can see, the price of Kaspa is sitting below that key resistance. And actually, speaking about this key resistance, let me just zoom in for you guys. We actually saw a retest once again on the 25th of August, which was 2 days ago. We actually saw a retest, and of course this time around you never saw the price actually climbing back above that resistance. So pretty much we wicked back above it, but the significance of this resistance. I've been pretty much talking on a daily basis that you don't want to just see a quick wick above there. You want to see this resistance turn into support. And how do you turn into support? Obviously maintaining its price above that key resistance. So of course that's not the case right now, but you are starting to see Kaspa trying to pick up traction once again and try to retest this key resistance. But one thing a lot of people will ignore is people will come and start pointing fingers right at Kaspa right away, but they fail to understand what's happening with the broader market. Is the broader market also seeing a little bit of retracement, or is it just Kaspa? We need to keep those factors in mind, and of course not think emotionally. And right now, dominance has started to go a little bit down, but honestly, nothing to get super excited about, because it's pretty much still on the verge of breaking towards another yearly high. And of course, we know what kind of impact that can have on the altcoins specifically. So BTC right now, You know, like I said, tomorrow morning, hopefully we're back above 64. If that's the case, I do expect altcoins will turn back into green, but let's take it one step at a time. As far as for Kaspa, you do want to see this retest once again into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and start heading towards the 38.2. That is where the excitement begins, in my opinion. But again, if you want to just put this into perspective, it's only a 2.85% move. And you guys might be thinking, you know, that's not even a big move. So why is the price of Kaspa not making its way back above this key resistance? And believe it or not, been quite clear on this over the course of the last few days. You know, in terms of massive retail interest, you know, if you look at it from that point of view, it's just not having that interest as of yet. As to what we did see just a few months back, even like a few weeks back, we're not seeing that type of interest right now. Hence, you are seeing the price actually not able to even get back above this key resistance that easily, and that speaks for itself. But let's take a look at the broader market. So far, so good. You know, even though we're below $64,000, I do believe that, you know, Bitcoin can still bounce back above that level. But yeah, let's see. Of course, one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for so much support. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. If you have not subscribed, guys, what are you guys waiting for? Come join the Crypto ZX army. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.